Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up in the ocean. At the current rate, there will be more plastic waste than fish in the oceans by 2050. But what can we do against this? Can we stop the pollution and save our oceans? In fact, there are already many technologies in action to clean our oceans from the constantly accumulating waste. From giant plastic-eating sailboats to small river skimmers and ocean garbage bins, in this video, we will take a look at 5 innovative ways to rescue our oceans. Before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe to Tech World. Leave your thoughts about these innovative technologies in the comments below. Number 5. The Manta. We'll start with a giant 56-meter sailing boat that collects and processes waste simultaneously while at sea. The Manta virtually feeds on plastic waste and can collect both floating macro waste and smaller debris from the depth of the seas. It is equipped with 4 collection systems that complement the Manta's efforts to clean up the oceans. The surface waste is picked up by 3 floatable collection systems with a collection span of 46 meters. 2 smaller multi-purpose collection boats are also present on deck to pick up waste from the shallowest and narrowest parts of the ocean. 2 lateral cranes pull the largest pieces of floating debris from the water, while the waste is brought on board with Manta's waste collecting conveyors. The Manta will be able to collect up to 3 tons of waste per hour, but it won't dump it all on land. In fact, the boat has its own waste-to-energy conversion unit that will turn collected waste into electricity. This electricity produced on board will in turn power all of the Manta's electrical equipment. The process of waste-to-power conversion is eco-friendly and won't emit any pollutants into the air. Using these sustainable methods, close to 95% of collected debris will be processed on board the Manta. The remaining waste will be packaged and taken to local waste treatment or recycling plants. In addition to the waste-to-energy unit, 2 wind turbines and 2 hydro generators will meet the Manta's power needs. The power supply from renewable energy sources will enable the ship to operate without using fossil fuels and with a minimal environmental footprint. Construction on the Manta will start in 2022. The first model is estimated to be completed in 2 years and is scheduled to feature in the world's most polluted waterways by 2024. It will be deployed in estuaries and at the mouths of the most polluted rivers, and will eventually become an important part of the marine ecosystem. The Manta's objective is to collect 5,000 to 10,000 tons of waste every year. However, 17 tons of plastic is being dumped into the oceans every minute, and we may need a lot more to truly handle this massive volume of waste at sea. Fortunately, there are other technologies in action to fight ocean pollution. Number 4. 4Ocean Mobile Skimmer. Next on the list is a much smaller boat which is just as efficient in cleaning up the oceans. The 4Ocean Mobile Skimmer is designed to remove large amounts of debris in high-density areas and has already helped 4Ocean to collect more than 7,000 tons of trash from the oceans. The Mobile Skimmer is a 7-meter-long vessel with retractable arms that can extend up to 4 meters, giving it a longer reach with a small footprint. These retractable arms collect plastic and other debris and bring it towards the front of the skimmer. From there, the waste is picked up by a conveyor belt that sends trash into a large super sack, which can hold up to 100 kilograms of garbage. Once the super sack is full, a crane attached to the deck of the skimmer moves the sack out of the way. It is then replaced with another one, and the skimmer keeps on cleaning. After collecting millions of kilograms of ocean trash locally in Florida, the company expanded its cleanup services to Central America. In 2020, they partnered with the Safe Harbor Marinas to remove trash from marinas and harbors across the world using a similar device called the 4Ocean Harbor Skimmers. As of 2021, 4Ocean has also taken up the task of cleaning the world's beaches. In July 2021, they launched a beach cleaning robot called the Bee-Bot, which mechanically removes plastic waste and other debris without harming the local environment. The 4Ocean boats are a relatively small device, taking up a huge task. The next entrant on our list, however, is an initiative that includes a truly gigantic cleaning service in the open oceans. Number 3. The ocean cleanup. Most of the plastic waste flows into the oceans from rivers. Some of it gets captured in the ocean currents that carry plastic to one of the 5 great garbage patches in the ocean. The Ocean Cleanup Project aims to remove 90% of floating ocean plastic by 2040. Their starting point in 2018 was the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is the world's biggest accumulation zone of plastics. The plan was to create an artificial coastline with garbage retention zones that will catch the waste with the help of 2 big vessels. The vessels will move at a slow speed and create a speed difference with the floating plastic. This will create zones of high waste concentration, which will then be caught in the retention zone. Their first device was the 160-meter-long System 001, which was deployed in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch for 4 months. However, it wasn't great at retaining plastic and was quickly brought back to the shore. After a couple of years of testing, the Ocean Cleanup has now come up with a scaled-up 600-meter System 002, nicknamed Jenny. It is set to be deployed in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch in August 2021 and will be able to clean up an area of 52,000 square meters every hour, an area equivalent to 10 football fields. Over the next 2 years, a fleet of 60 such devices will be deployed across the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, with hopes that the full fleet can remove half of the plastic in the area within 5 years.
And we will do this.
The project has gained plenty of plaudits. However, only 5% of the total ocean waste ends up in the 5 great garbage patches. Cleaning these patches is just one part of the equation, so the Ocean Cleanup has turned attention to intercepting plastic before it even reaches the ocean. So the ocean system will be complemented by an innovative cleanup technology called the Interceptor. It is an automated debris extraction system that will operate in the world's top polluting rivers. Research conducted by the Ocean Cleanup established that 1,000 rivers are responsible for around 80% of riverborne plastic waste in the entire ocean. The Interceptor can extract up to 100 tons of trash per day under optimized conditions. It is powered by renewable energy and can operate on its own every day of the week. The Ocean Cleanup seems to be taking on the plastic pollution right from the source, all the way to the ocean. You can learn more about this project in an exclusive detailed video on our channel. Just click the icon in the top right corner. Number 2. Sea-bin. Sea bins are also dubbed as garbage cans of the ocean and are rapidly being installed in the controlled environments of the world's marinas, ports, and yacht clubs. Marinas and ports can be a big source of taking garbage from land to water, and the Sea-bin project is trying to prevent that. Their innovative solution, the Sea-bin V5, moves up and down with the tide and collects all marine debris within a 50-meter radius. It sucks in water from the surface, which then passes through a catch bag inside the Sea-bin. A water pump capable of displacing 25,000 liters per hour sucks water in and out of the Sea-bin, leaving litter and debris trapped in the catch bag. One Sea-bin can catch 3 kilograms of floating debris per day, including microplastics up to 2 millimeters small. The bin is also equipped with absorbent pads, which can absorb surface oils and detergents found in most marinas in the world. The catch bag inside the bin can hold up to 20 kilograms of litter at a time, so there's no need to change it constantly. Its simple solution means that a Sea-bin has a running cost of less than $1 a day. Sea-bin is being globally deployed to help fight the growing ocean plastic problem. There are over 1,100 Sea-bin units currently active in 53 countries, which altogether capture more than 3 tons of garbage every single day. Ocean plastic waste is a complicated problem, but something as simple as a Sea-bin is effectively fighting one major source of such pollution. Number 1. Pacific Garbage Screening. Concluding our list of innovative ocean cleanup technologies is a project that was initially designed to be a giant floating platform system that screens and extracts plastic particles from the ocean. It was a 400-meter wide floating structure with teeth-like grills reaching 35 meters deep into the water. The design would pull the ocean plastic underwater by slowing down the ocean currents. Since plastic is lighter than water, the plastic particles end up floating to the surface and can be easily skimmed from there. The unique design also ensured the protection of marine life, since there was no need for filter systems like nets to collect waste. Fish and other marine life can simply pass through the platform without being caught. The solution looks great on paper, and its designer, Germany's Marcella Hansch, received a lot of applause for it. However, they soon found out that the project could not be turned into reality. The feasibility study for the project would have cost close to $8 million. Experts also pointed out that 90% of the ocean garbage had already sunk and could not be retrieved, while the floating platform also ran the risk of taking microorganisms out of the sea. Hansch quickly shifted focus to rivers in an attempt to stop plastic waste from entering the ocean at its source. A change in goals came with changes in design, and the latest cleanup technology is a much smaller garbage collection boat that aims to take out the waste and determine where it comes from. The boat, named Collectix, is only 6.4 meters long and 2.4 meters wide. Despite its small size, it is very efficient when it comes to waste collection and can handle up to 20 tons of ocean garbage every day. The garbage is brought into the boat by a conveyor ramp that is lowered into the water. Each garbage boat is supported by a drone that identifies waste hotspots so that the cleanup can be carried out in a targeted manner. The garbage boats have already completed successful cleanup operations in Europe, and the startup responsible for the technology is now working on a smaller version of the original stationary platform idea for the rivers. The platform is named Hivex, and it is set to be used in high-polluting rivers around the world by the end of 2021. Just like the garbage collection boats, the Hivex platform has smaller dimensions, measuring only 6 meters in length. The platform will be able to discharge 80% of the plastic flowing into it, and will collect up to 5 tons of plastic per day. As with the original idea, Hivex can stay on site for a long time and collect garbage without affecting shipping traffic or the marine ecosystem. What do you think of the technologies cleaning up the oceans? Which of these 5 has impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Tech World for more interesting videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.